Hello everyone, it is a wonderful moment to connect with you here. Today, let's talk about the use of kínni and ta. Kínni simply means what? Ta means who. Now, let's use them in sentences. Kínni o fẹ́? Kínni o fẹ́? Just try as much as possible for you to repeat the sentence after me as you are learning. Kínni o fẹ́ simply means what do you want? Another sentence is Kínni o fẹ́ jẹ? Kínni o fẹ́ jẹ? Meaning what do you want to eat? Kínni ó wà lọ́wọ́ rẹ? Kínni ó wà lọ́wọ́ rẹ? Meaning what do you have in your hand? Kínni o fẹ́ rà? Kínni o fẹ́ rà? Meaning what do you want to buy? Kínni o fẹ́ rà? What do you want to buy? Another sentence is Kínni o fẹ́ sọ? Kínni o fẹ́ sọ? Meaning what do you want to say? Kínni o fẹ́ sọ? Kínni o fẹ́ gbà? Kínni o fẹ́ gbà? That's another sentence. Kínni o fẹ́ gbà? Meaning what do you want to collect? Or what do you want to take? Kínni o fẹ́ gbà? Now, how do we use kínni to relate with someone older than you and to relate to two or more people? When you are talking to two or more people, okay, your grammar will change. You will change from O to E. You will change from O to E for elderly one. For instance, kínni o fẹ́ for your mates, for your younger one or junior one. To elderly one, you will say, Kínni ẹ fẹ́? What do you want? You will say, Kínni ó wà lọ́wọ́ rẹ? Kínni ó wà lọ́wọ́ rẹ? So you can see the difference between the two. Kínni ó wà lọ́wọ́ rẹ? Or Kínni ó wà lọ́wọ́ yín for elderly one. So this is how to use kínni in Yoruba language. Now let's talk about the use of ta. Ta ni ó ń sọ̀rọ̀? Ta ni ó ń sọ̀rọ̀? Meaning who is talking? Ta ni ó ń sọ̀rọ̀? Ta ni ó wà níbẹ̀? Ta ni ó wà níbẹ̀? Meaning who is there? Who is there? Ta ni ó wà níbẹ̀? Ta ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀? Ta ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀? Who am I speaking with? Ta ni o fẹ́ rí? For your colleagues, your younger one or junior one. Ta ni o fẹ́ rí? Meaning who do you want to see? For elderly one, you will say, Ta ni ẹ fẹ́ rí? Ta ni ẹ fẹ́ rí? The English, that is to say, who do you want to see? Ta ni o fẹ́ rí? Or ta ni ẹ fẹ́ rí? It depends on whom you are talking to. Ta ni ó wà nínú ilé? Ta ni ó wà nínú ilé? Meaning who is inside the house? Ta ni ó wà nínú ilé? If you want to learn more, you want to hire a Yoruba language teacher, I am out for you here. You can reach out to me through this platform. Now, before we go, please make the comments. Tell me, give your own sentence using kínni and ta. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next class. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye.